Hello, peoples of YouTube. Today, this is Nate from Nate's Trains, also known as Nathan. And today we have a really cool HO scale item to review. This is the Bachmann's Silver Series Patriot set, made in 1995. Well, I thought it was copyrighted. And yeah, the set is really cool, so let's get started with the review. So now we have the box taken off. And now we can remove the rest of it, this entire styrofoam thing. And a lot of stuff just fell out there. So what was supposed to be on the back was this. The power pack and a few pieces of track fell out. There you go. So now we will start unpacking it. So here's everything that you get in the package. So you get a locomotive. You get 3 Fleet passenger cars, which are lighted. Electrical cables, power pack, right there, and you get a bunch of Bachmann Easy Track, the nickel silver version. So now I'm going to do a demonstration of how Easy Track works. So normally you'd be on a flat surface, but so basically what you want to do is you want to push the connectors in slightly, and then make sure that the rail joiners, or you slip it together and make sure that the rail joiners are seated properly. They should be flat. You can run your fingers across it and it should be smooth. So I went ahead and I set up the track. I got the controller over there, as you can see at the top of the screen, and also just got attacked by Rocky in the background. There it is up there, and over there is the train collection. So yeah, we got this set up. You basically just need a screwdriver to set it up, and everything else is pretty self-explanatory, except for the fact that there's actually 2 sockets on the controller. You want to select the variable DC setting. So now we're going to put the train on the track. Now, what makes this Bachmann Easy Track, what makes the power track nice is that it has it's called the terminal re-railer, because you can put your trains on the track, and it's where the power terminals are connected for the track. So now we're going to put the train on the track. Here's the Amtrak F40PH locomotive. I'm going to put it on the tracks. Just run it back and forth. As you can see, it's on there already. Now we're going to do the same task for the rest of the train cars. Amtrak coach, let's put it on. Train cars and coaches are easier to put on the track than engines, as their wheels are free. That one went on really easy. So yeah. So all of Bachmann's train sets, the newer train sets have these. They have knuckle couplers, which they call them Easy Mate couplers. Yeah, I know the name might sound a bit disturbing, but whatever. So I'm gonna do a demonstration of them. These are the older version of them. You just push them together and they lock in. I don't have the other passenger car. Mine has a broken coupler on the back. It's been like that since I got it, but I can replace it with the new one, and I just derailed it. These cars are very light, so they derail really easily. Yeah, these things are really light. And the locomotive weighs like a pound. That thing's a tank. And that was Austin in the background. So that lighting is so bright that and these cars are silver, so it's really bright when you look at it on the camera. So now I'm gonna push back the cars and we can couple up the engine. So use the controller to operate it. You just need to well, basically you turn it on. By the way, this is actually a Spectrum Magnum controller. These are really nice. And you can turn up the throttle. There goes the engine. I want to go the other way, so I'm going to reverse it. Come this way. Alright, let's see if we did it. Come on. Hold on, wait, sorry about that. Sometimes you just need to reverse it for a second. Trying that again. Alright. We're facing technical difficulties. Please stand by. Hopefully the technical difficulties have been solved. Train wasn't moving in the correct direction. Let's see. Yay, it's finally moving! That thing has pretty good low speed control with DC. There it is, you can see it has lights. Austin, will you please hit the lights? Okay, as you can see, the locomotive has strobe lights. How cool is that? And the passenger cars have lights too. One of them, the lights stopped working. Alright, can you put the lights back on now? Thank you. So yeah, the light in that first car, they stopped working, unfortunately. Let's see how low speed we can get this thing going. Doing pretty well. Well, it's really good. For a high-speed engine, that's really good. It's actually still moving right now. It's not steady at all, but it's actually still moving. Let's go full throttle. So that basically pretty much does it for this review. I know it doesn't seem like very much happened in this video, but this set is so easy to set up and stuff that it really doesn't take a very long video to do. Just so that you guys are aware, this set was discontinued. It was actually a limited edition run. And I actually got this thing for 160 bucks including shipping. And you can't really see it. Maybe I could flip around the camera. There's a original price tag. It is the same. I think it's the Bachmann's original price for this was $158. That's really close. I'm glad to have this set, and it's in remarkable condition, except for the broken handrail and the broken coupler. I can fix the coupler. The handrail I don't really care about. Who's gonna be looking on the back of an F40PH? It's really, I don't know. I don't really care about it. If you want to see a review of the engine itself, click right here, and you can see the video. And also here are some other videos that you could check out, as well as our main channel. You should see a picture of our cat. So yeah, that's the Bachmann Patriot train set.